Yo, 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 yo. Hello? Yep. Hey man, what's up? How you doing? Wow. Yeah. Market's been really volatile, huh? I hope you're doing okay. Um, Easy to get, yeah, it's quite easy to get chopped up or just be on the wrong side when the market trades. I'll just wait for like a minute or two. But yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. Took the weekend off. One sec, let me just check my mic. Uh, why? Yeah, mic should be better now. Yep. One sec. Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. Pretty wild price action all around. So yeah, I look to cover some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, maybe the dollar, and a few altcoins. Yeah, let's start. I'll just start. I mean, this is pretty much a view reversal. We're still not out of the woods yet. Now we're basically at the point where if the market reclaims said level, then I think we fly to 2730K higher. I don't know. Could happen. Basically, if you look at the monthly or if you look at the weekly, basically this has been the level we've been looking at the whole time. The FTX breakdown level, which is a great bullish breaker. Basically, we came down, tested this level. So yeah, I mean the weekly. Well, the weekly candle was saved, but there's still some work to do. It doesn't mean that because we've swept it and we've gone that high now we just go up. We can always come down to fill the wick and then go up, which would fuck a lot of people up. And yeah, so well, the weekly is saved. I'm still not convinced that this is the top because well, it's just it'd be a pretty shitty way to top without really generating any liquidity here. It can happen, but it's not convincing. But you know, doesn't have to be convincing. Yeah, so we took this. We took a long yesterday at 20.36, but then we closed it up. Well, that was a long just based on the hourly. So we had taken a long here yesterday, 20.36. That was a long setup here, and we closed it fully out by 21K. I did not think we'd be going this high. That was based on the 15-minute MA, EMA, just playing for a Sunday pump over here. You know, everything was lining up pretty nicely for us to pump into the hourly MAs, which we did. So if we look at the picture now, what are some possible scenarios for Bitcoin? One sec. Yep, looks good. What are some possible scenarios for Bitcoin, right? So basically, if we start reclaiming this, so we've had a look at the wider range, right? So we've saved the weekly, and you know, weekly and the mid range of this range over here, which was 21.4K ish. And yeah, we kind of basically V-reversed the entire dump, which is quite rare when you look back. You know, it's quite rare, and hence that's what makes me suspicious about it. I'm still not convinced. I will be convinced if we start closing. Yeah, if we start closing above this, if we start getting some strong 4-hour, 12-hour daily closes above this point of breakdown here, basically this is basically when markets really broke down from this huge consolidation of about 80 days, pretty much 3 months, right? So from the 20th of June to the 2nd of March, nearly 3 months. So if we reclaim this breakdown point, then that's pretty bullish, and that'll set you up. I mean, yeah, and then we'll just be purely focused on longing. But until that doesn't happen, resistance is resistance. Um, we've kind of just had like a massive short squeeze. Also, that was on the back of the news. So CP, yeah, it's a big week in terms of macro events. So one side of me just thinks that it might be better to to maybe just not trade at all this week, and just save myself from any mental illness. But yeah, we've got CPI. Mostly we've got CPI and then with FOMC next week. What is interesting to see is that now market is pretty much pricing in a kind of a pivot. So now 35% of market participants think that we get no rate hikes when, say, about a week ago, more than 50% thought we'd get 50 BPS rate hike. Now that's not even on the chart. So 65% market participants think we'd get 25, and the others think we'd get no rate hike after the Silver Bank SVB drama that happened, and the Fed came and put a backstop on it. But yeah, let's see how that develops. So this is resistance until proven. Um, we could easily just take this as resistance. We could. There's a chance we BART this entire move up, like so, If you zoom out, and yeah, and if you look at this, boom, 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 here, breakdown point here. We can reclaim it, insta move down. Although that was on the bank of either a CPI or FOMC, so that nuke happened on a macro event. So maybe we could just like slide around here, but it's you still have to see how similar they look right now. So I wouldn't count that out, right? So if you were long, you had to be long before this move happened, and now you got to be patient. So yeah, either we long there or we look for a long back in this consolidation. I'm not sure if I want to bid for any longs in the middle here. Maybe 1 hour 200 EMA over here. If it starts catching up, maybe that could be a long, but we'll see. But mostly only interested in either long in reclaims of this than waiting for, say, the hourly trend or hourly RSI to reset, cool off. Say we get a move up, then wait for oscillators to cool off, wait for the hourly, the EMIs to catch up, and then look for longs. Or if you want to hedge, then I'd say this is a decent place to partially hedge. Say if you don't want to take profits, you could hedge here. Say you short here, for example, you could have stops like above this wick and potentially target all the way down here. Yeah. I mean, a large chunk of this move up was a short squeeze. Good chunk was a short squeeze. So we had about 28 billion in red negative delta on high block before this move up, and now I think we have plus 20 on the green side. Hey, why are you not loading? So yeah, I mean it is. We have just like straight strongly V reversed into resistance. One sec. I need to type my login and password out again. Cool. So yeah, I mean, reclaim this. Basically, I've just gone over my BTC plans, some scenarios I'm looking at. Dollar man. So we'd said basically that if we deviate this high and we start trading under, then we'll become vocal bulls. But then the timing of it was just. Well, I guess yeah. Yeah. The resolution downside was quite intense. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We still got to play it level by level. Uh, cannot FOMO here. Absolutely not. Even though it may keep going up. Yeah, daily close should be interesting, right? So weekly we saved it. 3-day close, we close it today. One sec. Yeah, resistance is resistance until otherwise. So I've just taken a very small short at 23.45 just to hedge. Something like that. But it's super small in size. So we are long on Blur. We longed it from basically 507. Yeah, because that's a Coinbase chart. So we're long Blur here. Looks pretty good. First, I'll TP some around 5.8. But honestly, if say Bitcoin doesn't go down much, or if it keeps chopping, then I'd expect Blur to. Let me go back to the Coinbase chart because it has more history. So we swept the lows here. Basically initial listing lows or whatever you want to call it. We tried to long here, I think, and we hit one TP, and then we got out somewhere around here. Basically, when we saw that it was trying to flip 4-hour trend, reject. We can see it's been a constant rejection all the way from the top, and now we're finally seeing it trying to flip it. Also, the hourly MAs, EMAs line up pretty nicely, and we have a much cleaner shift in market structure here, right? So we had this entire ranges of highs, strong breakout, retested this breaker here. So I mean, you could have bids here, but no point having bids here. And then yeah, and that's why we longed it here, because it was a break shift in market structure, and hourly EMAs looked good, 4-hour EMAs look good, and I mean, this could easily move up. I mean, we could move up and take out these highs, hit 4-hour 200 EMA again. To be honest, so it could be we could get a 30, 40, 50% move in this, even if BTC goes up, down, left, right. Yeah, so blur is that. Ethereum, yeah, same thing as Bitcoin, strong. Yeah, we're pretty much at the breakdown point as like BTC. If we start flipping this, then I think we get to. I think we go for this, like somewhere around here at the minimum. Like somewhere around there, 1800 to 2000. But it has to flip. So I mean, we can't long here. We gotta let it flip. Give us some low time frame signals, cool offs, trend catch ups, whatever. Low time frame cool offs can either be, say, hourly, 4-hourly RSI reset, like here. If we look at the 4-hour, 4 hours kind of into oversold. Overbought now. So maybe we wait for some kind of a signal there. Maybe it comes after a few days. Especially now, considering the market has moved up so much. You don't want to be chasing the moves up now. You want to be patient. It's not going to go. I mean, given the fact that this has be reversed already so much, then I mean, if you think market is just gonna go like this, then you got to look back and see when that's ever happened. Like it has happened, but it will still give you some low time frame signals to move in, and where we are at resistance. So uh, let's see if this has loaded. Yeah, we've got 22 billion in green delta now. Let's see what the market is doing. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of long initiations over here. I think a lot of people are trying to long this. Let's see. Where were they trying to go? Where were they trying to go? Where were they trying to go? Like so. Like so. Ah, fuck, I need to check my. Never mind. Yeah. I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see. So I have taken a. Oh my god, my fucking. Oh, excuse me. My electricity is gone again, man. Annoying. One sec. Okay. Should be coming back on 1 minute. One sec. One sec. Yeah, cool. Can you see it now? Okay. Yeah, that's Bitcoin. That's that. SPX. Yeah, it's at range lows, at possible demand. I don't know. I'm gonna skip SPX for now. What the fuck? CFX liquidity, some shit coins absolutely popping off, man. Filecoin, I think it's got an EVM thing tomorrow, but it's just moving with the market. One thing I'm pretty salty about is Kava, man. We've spoken about this long in our last stream. Basically, yeah, we wanted to get long here, man. We missed a good, easy 25-30% pump, which I'm pretty pissed off about. I mean, I'll just run you through the setup, right? So what we had was we had some pretty good high time frame action here. We RSI broke back above the 50. We were just holding on to this trend. Just if I draw the fib here, if I draw the fib here, yeah, we kind of hit 6.2. Daily 100 MA, the red one was looking great. We'd reclaimed this trend with broken market structure here, flipped it again, and this was basically the breaker that we wanted to get in. So we had daily 100 MA here, we had a bullish breaker here, and one sec. Yeah, okay, cool. You can still see my screen, yeah, because I'm just working on my laptop because my desktop's turned off. Yeah, with daily 100 MA here, we had all these 4-hour MA EMAs here, along with the bullish breaker. So long in this box, stops under this wick, and then you target these highs, daily 100 EMA. Oh my god, what a beautiful setup, man! What a beautiful setup. Anyways, yeah, Saw just looks dog shit weak. Right, I might have to cut. I might have to. Did you check BTC on short? And I'm sorry, I don't understand what you mean here. What do you mean? Did you check BTC on short? Uh, I might have to cut the stream short here if my electricity doesn't come on in a few minutes. Fuck me. Okay. Sorry about. I hope the stream is still working. Yeah. Just having some power issues, man, in the house. Should be back on now. Hey, man. Hey, Pew. What's up? BTC looks to nuke right now. I don't know, man. I mean, you could. I talking about that it is at resistance, so you could take a short here to hedge. But if it's gonna nuke, I don't know. I don't want to be. I don't want to play against this market strength. With BTC leading, wow, ETH BTC dumping. Strong BTC lead of the market, then I guess. Let's see if it is indeed a strong BTC lead of the markets. Jesus Christ, SNX. And SSV. And SSV. Let's have a look at SSV. Where is SSV? Sheesh. Hey man, what's up? Yeah. Flip this, not 25, man. Flip this and 27, 30K on the menu, I think. At least 27K. 25K liquidity is going to get blown away. It's going to get blown apart. This liquidity over here, weak as liquidity over here, with this entire empty block, yeah, we're going to blow this baby out, man, if we flip this and hold. Which we don't know if we're gonna, so we can't assume that it's gonna flip and break out. SSV, it's also a liquid staking derivative coin. So we caught it short here, hit our targets here, fully closed here. We had this swiggly drawn out, and wow, it's following it to pretty nicely, but it could break out here. It's a pretty pivotal level. So if we start reclaiming this, that can be a long. We start reclaiming this, that could be a long, but really depends on the market. I'm not too eager to trade. Yeah, it's just too many things happening, man. So I think it's just better to focus on lesser things. So I think I might just be focused on Blur for the time being because I've got a good entry. Just gonna try and nurse that. Uh, um, yeah, SSV could be one. I mean, to be honest, if market is to go up, you can just throw a dart and anything and mostly everything should stick. Just take a look at what altcoins are generally outperforming, and then look to target that. Wow! Wait, what is happening? Oh, never mind. Wow, but Bitcoin really taking the lead here. Even if I check Blur against Bitcoin, I don't. Yeah. Wow, never mind. Hi is a China coin, right? Hi. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I think there are other better coins probably around. Does it have a narrative? Man, FXS, what a cursed coin. Could it have a revival? Yeah, maybe. But man, boys just psyched everyone out. Boys just psyched everyone out with this breakout and then just ranging after a breakout and then breaking down again. Sheesh. What else? What else? One sec. Nice. I got a cheesecake given to me. Wow. Whoa, holy shit, markets. Yeah, blurs mooning. We'll see. To be honest, I don't really have much to add here. Kind of just let it play out. Don't be chasing now. Markets are just ripping. But one sec. Yeah, I think ABC. Let's see as well. Starts to work. 50% out on. Oh, yo, YouTube pigeon. Yeah, man, my internet's being a fucking bitch. Is it okay now? Yeah, man. Internet's being a bitch. All right. Oh, yo, what's up? Yeah, that's why. Super annoying. Yeah, Aptos could be good, but to be honest, oh my god. Right, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to cut this stream short. Uh, yeah, power just went off again, and yeah. Sorry, man. Sorry, boys. Yeah, I'm cutting the stream short now. Although power is back on now, I think we can. I think we can. I think we can do it. One more try. One more try. Although I don't have much to add. I wanted to look at Aptos. Aptos. Yeah, let's see if it starts. Everything's at their breakdown points. Everything's at their breakdown points. Kind of reaching there. 4 hour, 200 EMA. It's got a reclaim as well. Where did PTC go? Ooh. Okay. Blur's moaning, which is nice. Yeah, metals look good as well, man. Metals look really good. So I had this mark out for gold. I was looking for this, but it came. And you look at the weekly on gold. That just looks sexy. Perfect 50 RSI tap on the weekly. Kind of trying to reclaim mid range and yeah, with all this drama about possible bank run and everything, we might see a flight back into safety. So gold and metal's popping hard. Silver's kind of just playing in this huge macro range right now. It's still dry like that. Jeez, fuck off. And yeah, well, as I'm gold and silver, where do I buy metals? Either on like traditional brokers, or if I want to long it, then I use Prime XBT, where you can trade metals using crypto or USDT as collateral. Yep. Any altcoins? So I'm gonna end the stream here because the content power cuts have really thrown me off. It's still glitching. Immense, dog. Fucking immense. Wow. Well, first TP's hit on Blur. TP1 hit on Blur, which is nice. So we caught a solid 14% move in a bit. Yeah, hey, what's up, family friends? Yeah, I already talked about Blur and SSV. So Blur, we've had our first TPs hit. Just rewind a bit after the stream is done. OP. Man, it's bouncing quite nicely. Sheesh, SSV, STX, OP is up there. Blur is up there. So we're looking at the right altcoins. OP. Oh please. OP. Yeah, looks like it's reclaiming daily trend. Although it did break market structure here. It had a high, low, lower high, broke structure. Um, yeah, potentially entering into a potential place where this could be a short, but depends on the market. But it has broken market structure. That is something we gotta be conscious about. Gee, what the fuck is going on? Whoa, holy shit. My God. Yo, what's going on? What is going? Hey, what is going on? Let's check Twitter. What's going on? I don't know. Probably best to stay away from Twitter, to be honest. But yeah, boys, I'm just gonna end the stream here now. Really, not much to add, not much to do here. But Jesus Christ, this is wild. Blur is up a solid 22% from where we entered. So GG. Do take some profits. I'm gonna enjoy my cheesecake that my friend just gave me, and I hope you guys caught Blur with me on Telegram. And the usual, right? Please like, share, comment, subscribe, share on Twitter, join my Telegram. I'll have some news about a Discord group some point this week that I've been wanting to do for a while. Gonna keep it real small, and yeah, we printing, boys. We printing. We caught the short side pretty nicely all the way down here. We caught a scalp long, but then catching a pretty nice trade here, right? You don't need to catch everything in the market, right? Just capture a few things nicely and milk them. Let's see how much we can milk this. Yeah, take care. Have a good day, and bye bye.